Hello guys and welcome. I know that many people have one, let's say, problem to start working with affiliate marketing, and it's in common cases like this. I want to make some commission in affiliate marketing, but actually I don't have any website. And that's not a problem at all, because there are so many solutions how you can make serious money without having any website. But for that, actually you need to use paid traffic, and I will just explain you what I mean. So when you are on ClickBank and you want to pick some offer, you will actually make these steps. You will go here, you will search for some category you are looking. For example, this is just sample. I will click random, and you know how it works. You click when you find offer, following some parameters to pick offer with gravity and so on and so on. Click promote, get affiliate links, and after that you will be ready to start promoting affiliate offer. In short words, how affiliate marketing business works. Look, this perfectly made just for your animation first. So let me in short words explain you in my animation masterpiece how affiliate marketing works in short terms. You as affiliate have your blog or some paid ad which lead customer to affiliate link where they click, buy, and after that you make some commission. So in other words, you drive traffic to affiliate offer, and when somebody buys something you will get some money for it. So as many people you have, there is a bigger chance that you sell something and get bigger revenue. But to get money, the biggest question is from where to drive that traffic. And as I said before many times, there is no such a thing like a free traffic. There is paid traffic, and there is traffic as a result of like hard work from building your blog or social audience for years. In this case, we will talk when you drive traffic from Google Ads. In short words, how it works and why you should build it like this. So you pay Google ad and somebody click on your ad. After they click on your ad, you will drive them to your landing page. And a little bit later in this video, I will show you the easiest and cheapest way how to set up your landing page. What you should do on your landing page. You should make person to opt in. For example, you can offer them single opt-in or double opt-in. Single opt-in is just put email and go to affiliate offer. Double opt-in is put email, confirm email, and then take them to affiliate offer. In this way, you will collect many new customers and build your mailing list. When you build your mailing list, this is some kind of free traffic where using your own mailing list in future you can send 1, 2, 3 offers and start to collect some revenue on affiliate platform like ClickBank. So like you see, if you don't have a website, it's not big deal. You have something what it's called GetResponse. This is mailer. That means this is software where you collect email addresses for your subscribers when they come and opt into your landing page. And in the same time, it's some online tool where you can actually build landing pages. And landing page is not only mail capturing online form, it's substitution for your website. Because when you buy, in this case, in this particular video, what I'm showing you right now, when you buy ads on Google Ads, and I don't go in depth because I don't like to waste time on things what you can find wherever you want. When you set up your campaign, you will lead traffic not directly to affiliate offer because of two reasons. First of all, it's not allowed, and it's not allowed because all that affiliate offers looks a little bit spammy. And second smarter reason is that everyone who click on your paid link became your customer, and you will make him to be your customer or part of your mailing list and potential customer in the way that you allow him, before you send them to offer, to opt in on your landing page. And what is GetResponse in this particular way, comparing a website and landing page building software? For example, when you go on features and you see So email marketing is when you have email list and you send newsletter to your customers you collect on landing page. You have something what it's called sales funnel or lead magnet funnel. This is actually more or less the same thing, but sales funnel is something what you have first click, second click, third level, fourth level, fifth level, so on, where you make some upsell, downsell, selling in several steps something. But lead magnet funnel is something where you tell, look, this is my most converting landing page. Look how simple it is. Do you want to learn affiliate marketing and finally start to earn serious money online? If your answer is yes, start from here and thank me later. So that means when somebody come here and write that name and opt into my mailing list and press show me how, I will simply take them to my, in this case, wealthy affiliate landing page. Not landing page. I will take him to wealthy affiliate offer. You understand how simple is this? So in features, lead magnet funnel is exactly this what I just show you. Okay, I close it. I'm sorry. It's not available here anymore. I close it, never mind. But this is exactly what I just show you right now. So this is some animation illustration of funnel, and this is just one step what you will actually need. You will need person to landing on your landing page, opt in, leave you email address, and you simply take him to your offer, to affiliate offer. So in this mid step, you will collect that person email, you will build your mailing list, and for any future offer, this will be the way of some kind of free traffic what you will have, building and collecting users in your mailing lists for your future offers what you can sell them for free, because you already captured them, you have them, and they are willing to receive your future offers. So everything what it's written here is more or less correct, because this is, you see, exactly the one I show you what I use landing page, and this is something what you can get for very cheap money. Like I show you in previous video, basic version cost only 13 euro for 1000 subscribers per month, and it's much cheaper than any sophisticated well-known landing page builder software which costs $100 per month, and here you get whole solution for 13 euro. So what you will get, if you click on my link below this video, you can try this for free first 30 days. And if you understand how this system works and how to drive traffic to your affiliate offer using landing page in this path in the middle, you will very quickly and very easily collect very huge amount of potential buyers and customers and actually build your mailing list. And guys, one more time, there is no free traffic. You need to understand that free traffic will be a result of months and years of building your social audience, YouTube channel, Facebook group, Facebook page, and this is something where you maybe can get some people to follow your links, but there is no guarantee that people will actually click on everything what you post. Paid traffic is classic marketing. You invest and then you compare how much you get. From one side you have some cost, and from another side you have some revenue, and when you calculate how much you invest and how much you get, that difference is your pure profit. And that's the simplest and the oldest way how every marketing business works. So there is no money without investing money, and I'm showing you the best tool which you can use for the cheapest price and have all features like any other, and more, this is more important, and more features than other super popular, extremely expensive but useless tools. So you know procedure. If you start to work with affiliate marketing, start to promote some offers and start to earn affiliate commissions, you don't need website. You can simply use this to build landing page, building your mailing list, capture potential buyers, and start to earn profit. If you have any question, feel free to ask it in comment of this video, and see you next video. Thank you.